I'm gonna be making some slime in class, so hopefully I won't get in trouble. Yeah, let's just start.
Can you tell Michael to stop pointing at me and telling everybody that stuff is not even true? At least my work is done. You don't even know what you're doing. No. No. He pointed at me telling me stuff is not even true. Okay. I have a YouTube channel, but my phone is at home. I never brought it. Well, once. Well, that's a good thing. That's stuff. Yeah, I found it in. I found the. Oh, yeah. 17. No, I found that in page 27.1, and it says that you can count on me from happiness. Is that right? No, I used it as another one. Is that right? Yeah. No, it was in page 27.1. When they talk about happiness is the truth. Is that right? I was just getting my pencil.
God, she literally almost caught.
Boy, shut up. You don't even know what you're doing. I don't even know what you're doing.
So guys, it's time for us to go home. So